and congratulate contestants today on having passed stringent preliminary rounds of selection. Now that you have made it to this final stage, no doubt you will spare no effort to get the best results for yourself and your team.
Mathematics often looks like a collection of symbols, but it is a lot more than that. Mathematics is an equal part of general education and one of the big four academic disciplines, namely science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, commonly known as STEM.
Really? I thought maths just wants us to solve problems which are not solved by itself.
Well, mathematics is a poetry of logical ideas, and I guess now we should get started with our program.
Yes, of course. To begin with our program, I would like to call class 2s and 3 students for Tilawat-e Quran Majid.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث صدق الله العلي العظيم.
Subhanallah.
Now, students of class 4s and 5s will come for the recitation of Qasida, Marasya and Madeh.
يا سيد الشهداء خامس أهل الكساء على عظيم بلائي نالك في كربلاء طول زمان بكائي وعلى فتى يا حسين يا سيد الشهداء ملك الحسين بكربلاء ملك الحسين بكربلاء نسك الحسين بكربلاء مسك الحسين بكربلاء أبكيك مولاي الحسين أفديك مولاي الحسين مولاي مولاي الحسين ذكر الحسين خير Yasin, 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 Yali, 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 Yasin, 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 Yasin.
एक्शन वहाँ पर करवाना है। हाँ
शहनी हुब दिल में हरदम समाया करूं मारिफत साथे सजदा बजाया करूं हुबहू शन देखीने बुरहान दी हुबहू शन देखीने बुरहान दी शनी सूरत ने दिल में समाया करूं मारिफत साथे सजदा बजाया करूं हक ना मौलानी मिदहद करीने सदा हक ना मौलानी मिदहद करीने सदा दुश्मनों न दिलों ने जलाया करूं मारिफत साथे सजदा बजाया करूं कम छे शुक्र मखालनी जूती करी कम छे शुक्र मखालनी जूती करी शहना पाक कदम में पहनाया करूं मारिफत साथे सजदा बजाया करूं वलवलो छे यमानी गुलाम नोइम वलवलो छे यमानी गुलाम नोइम शहनी खिदमत हमेशा बजाया करूं मारिफत साथे सजदा बजाया करूं मारिफत साथे सजदा बजाया करूं
MashaAllah. Now, to begin with our competition, I would like all the participants to come on stage and introduce themselves who have worked really hard and passed all the hurdles to reach at this point.
अली अकबर वली का क्लास 2B. I am Tasneem Mazhar Jamnagar wala class 3B.
I am Zainab Mullah Mohammad Quetta from class 4A.
I am Shehban Hussain Betiwala from class 5A. I am Burhanuddin Sefi from class 2B.
I am Brandin Mustafa Zariwala from class 3A.
I am Moiz Ali Asghar Amreliwala, class 4A.
I am Insia Mustafa Tahiri from class 5A.
I am Burhanuddin Betal from class 2A.
I am Randin Moiz Pratapgarwala from class 3B.
I am Amatullah Taha Anjar from class 4A.
I am Jamila Muhammad Khambatwala, class 5B.
I am Mustafa Haryana Wala from class 2A.
I am Brandin Yunus Multanwala from class 3A.
I am Burhanuddin Johar Glass from class 4B.
I am Juzair Ali Asghar Ujjainwala from class 5A.
We would also like to welcome our honorable judges, Janab Sheikh Shamoil Bhai and Batul bin Izzi for today's competition.
Give them a huge round of applause.
The first round is power of numbers.
Now Nisreen Ben is going to explain you the rounds. You all have to listen it very carefully. Over to you, Nisreen Ben.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Duriya Ben. Okay, all the participants listen very carefully. The first round is power of numbers. This is a group round. In this round, you are provided with 4 digits on your screen and you will provide you with a worksheet also. The numbers are there. Use these digits to answer all the given questions. Read the questions very carefully and arrange the digits following the instructions. I hope it's clear. You will get 20 seconds per slide.
It sounds really interesting. Such a
Question number 1. Arrange these digits into the largest possible number. Your time starts now. Use all the 4 digits and arrange it into the largest possible number. You can discuss it among the group members. All right, your time is up. Next question, please. Question number 2. Arrange these digits into the smallest possible number. How can you arrange these numbers into the smallest possible numbers? The time is started. Please discuss it among the members. Done. Next question, please. Okay, third question. Now form an odd number with these digits. Your time starts now. Arrange these digits in a way that they form an odd number. Come on, children. Done? Time up. Next question, please. Now form an even number with these digits. Your time starts now. Time up. Next question. I think this is the last question of this round. Write your largest number in its expanded form. Time starts now. The largest number that you formed in question number 1, you have to use that number and expand it. Come on, children. Time is running very fast. Finish. Okay.
Such a challenging task. I had goosebumps all the time.
I feel why the students' mind should be tested only. It's time for some brain teasers for you all too.
All right. So children, are you all ready for the brain teaser? The question is for you all, okay? Look at the image very carefully. And please raise your hand if you know the answer. I'll come to you and I'll ask from you. All right, I can see one hand over there.
Mean 7. 7.
Okay, I'll take few answers and then we will tell you the correct answer.
22. 5. 4.
All are giving different answers. This sounds interesting.
18.
Oops.
9. 23. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 4. 28. 4 times 7.
Okay, I think I have taken enough answers. I should be telling you the correct answer now. The correct answer is 9. Those who said 9, please stand up. Children, please clap for them. Mufaddal Marasiya and Tahir from class 4 gave the right answer. Very good. All right. Now the scores of round 1. Yellow house 2, green house 4, red house 4, and blue house 3. The marks are out of 5. These are the results of round 1. Please give them a round.
Looks like you are all involved in Mathopedia already. Alright, now let's move to the next round, which is joyful geometry. Geometry provides us with a path to construct an ideal world.
The Srinben teams are really excited to know about the round.
Thank you, Duriya Ben. Okay, children, please listen carefully. I think I should come out and explain you this round. All of you listen very carefully. In this round, first the questions will be asked from students of grade 2 of all 4 houses. All right, the first question will be from yellow house, grade 2, green house, then red and then blue. All grade 2 children. They will have to recognize the given 2D shapes. Next, grade 3 students also have to identify the 2D and 3D shapes following the given clues. For grade 3 students, the clues will also come. Are you listening? Please listen carefully. I'll not be explaining it in between once the round will start. Grade 4s will have to answer questions about symmetrical and non-symmetrical shapes looking at the options carefully. Lastly, grade 5s will have to answer questions about angles and identify them. You will get 15 seconds per question. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so first question for yellow house, grade 2. Name this 2D shape. The options are rhombus, trapezium, octagon. The time starts now.
Octagon.
Octagon. Let's see if this is the right answer. Yes. Grade 2, greenhouse. Name this 2D shape.
Heptagon.
Heptagon. Let's see if this is the right answer. Absolutely right. Wow. Now it is red house, blue house. Grade 2. Your time starts now. Name this 2D shape.
Decagon.
Can you please say it again?
Decagon.
Decagon. Let's see if this is the right answer. Absolutely right. Last, red house, grade 2. Your time starts now.
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Wow. Well done, grade 2s. Now, grade 3, yellow house. Your turn. Guess the shape. What am I? I have one circular face and one continuous curved surface. I have one vertex. I have one edge. Your time starts now. What am I?
Sphere.
Square. Let's see.
Sphere. Sphere.
Sphere. No, it's a cone. Did you read the clues carefully? All right. Now, greenhouse, grade 3. Please listen to the clues very carefully. Guess the shape. I have 6 faces, at least 4 of which are rectangular. I have 8 vertices. I have 12 edges. What am I?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Is it the right answer? Can we please? Wow, very good. Absolutely right. Now, it's blue house. First clue, I have one continuous curved surface. I have 0 vertices. I have 0 edges. What am I? Your time starts now.
Sphere.
Sphere. Is it absolutely right? That was challenging. Okay. Last is grade 2, grade 3 red house. I have two faces and one continuous curved surface. I have 0 vertices. I have 2 edges. What am I? Grade 3 red house. Time.
Sphere.
And the time is up. What did you say?
Sphere.
No, it's a cylinder. Uh-oh. Okay, now it's grade 4. Question number 1 for grade 4 yellow house. Which shape has 4 lines of symmetry? A square, a rectangle. Oops. No, this question is cancelled. I'm sorry.
Oops.
Okay, is this for yellow house, grade 4? Okay. Zainab, yellow house. Which shape has 2 lines of symmetry? A rectangle, a circle, an equilateral triangle. Your time starts now. 2 lines of symmetry.
C.
Option C.
Oops.
No. Uh-oh. Okay. The correct answer is a rectangle. Greenhouse, grade 4. Which shape has only 1 line of symmetry? A circle, a parallelogram, an isosceles triangle. Moise, this question is for you. Your time starts now.
C. C.
Option C. That's the right answer. I would request the audience, please don't say the answers very loudly. We can hear the answers here before the participants give. I know you all are very excited. All right. Now it is blue house, grade 4. Which shape has no lines of symmetry?
B.
A circle, a parallelogram, an isosceles triangle. No? Okay. We have to wait for the question for red house. This is, no, this question is for grade 5, I think. Okay. Red house, grade 4. Which shape has 4 lines of symmetry? A square, a rectangle, a parallelogram.
A square. B. A.
A square, A. Let's see if this is the right answer. Yes, absolutely right. Okay. Now grade 5, yellow house. You have to wait for the question to appear on your screen. And I would request, please don't say your answer before the options are read. Wait for the options and then give your right answer.
गलती करी ना बाकी कोई नहीं गलती तैं पोते करवाना होता जिसमें इंडिविजुअल क्योंकि खबर थे अपना आंसर तैं तो वैसे खबर हो जाए बाकी सब नहीं है.
Okay. Question 1 for Yellow House, class 5. How many degrees are there in a full turn? Option A, 90. Option B, 180. Option C, 360 degrees. Your time starts now. How many degrees are there in a full turn?
360.
360. Is this the right answer? Absolutely right. Very good. Well done, Yellow House. Now, class 5, Green House. Please listen to the question very carefully. What is the name of an angle that is less than 90 degrees? Option A, acute. Obtuse, reflex.
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Option A. Let's see if this is the right answer. Absolutely right. Well done, Green House. Blue House, grade 5. Which of these is a reflex angle? The options will appear on your screen. 160 degrees, 87 degrees, 345 degrees. Blue House, grade 5.
C.
Option C, 345 degrees. That's right. Red House, grade 5. If two angles in a triangle are 40 degrees, what is the third angle? If two angles in a triangle are 40 each, what is the third angle? 80, 40 or 100 degrees?
B.
Is this B? Let's see.
Oops.
No, that's not correct. All right, so here we sum up the second round, joyful geometry.
This round was versatile.
What an incredible achievement. You all have proved that teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success.
Okay. All right, the results for round 2 are here. Oh, before. Okay. Now again a question for the audience. What mathematical concepts could be applied at these places? Can we have the image on the screen, please? Yes. Now you have to look at the picture very carefully and think of the mathematical concept that we can use. Children, I am again repeating, you have to tell the mathematical concept. Okay? You don't have to identify the picture. We all know this is an aeroplane.
Time. Angles.
said mathematical concept.
Angles.
Angles, time.
Angles. 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 Angles.
Everyone has to say angles. Do you have any different answer other than angles? Time already given. If you are saying angles,
Direction.
it's very good.
Kilometer. Meter.
Distance.
Kilometer. When the degrees it goes.
Distance. Very good. Okay, I think I have had enough of the answers. Let me just see how many of you gave the correct answer. Majority is giving the same answer actually, that's why I'm not taking it. Okay. The mathematical concepts that we can use here is distance and time. Some children said angles also. In a way, they are also right. So, who said distance, kilometers? Please stand up. Okay, I got the correct answers from those children. Please, children, give them a big hand. Well done. Abdeli said time also, yes. Those who said time, they are also correct. All right. Okay, now the time for the scores of round 2. Yellow House, 2 marks. It's not showing. Okay. Yellow House, grade 2, 1, green 1, blue 1, and red house 1. Grade 2, all the answers were correct. Grade 3, yellow house 0, green and blue scored 1, and red house was not able to give the right answer, 0. Grade 4, yellow 0, green and blue 1, 1, and red also 1. Grade 5, yellow house 1, green house 1, blue house 1, and red house scored 0. So the total of yellow house is 2, green house is 4, blue house 4, and red house is 2.
I must say you all have also exercised your minds.
Moving on to the next round, mind boggles.
All right. All the 4 houses, please listen to the instructions very carefully before you start your work. Are you all listening, children? Participants. In this round, you have to work on the given worksheet. First, grade 2 will start with write the given numbers in figures. Then grade 3 students will add 200 and in that number and subtract 100 from the answer. First, grade 2, students, please listen carefully. Participants, you are not... Grade 4s will first check the above answers and then multiply it by 10 and 100 respectively. Lastly, grade 5s, it's your turn to first check the above answers and divide it by the number 8, showing the quotient. I hope it is understood by all. 30 seconds for grade 2, 3, and 4. And 1 minute for grade 5 is the allotted time of this round. This is the worksheet. Your time starts now. Grade 2. All grade 2 students, 30 seconds. Only grade 2s will do the working. Done? You cannot discuss. This is grade 2 child. All right.
It seems that they are really struggling with it, and without struggle, there is no progress.
Operations? It's horrifying.
Oh, don't worry. You'll know how the 4 operations are used in maths.
This sounds more challenging than actually doing an operation. Well, let's hope for the best.
Okay. I think the worksheet is passed to grade 4s now. In all the houses, grade 2s, 3s are done with their task. Okay. Grade 4, please wait. Wait for the timer. Yes. Now you start. Okay. I can see children are busy working. Okay, it's time for grade 5s now. Your time is 1 minute. First, check the above answers done by the other children and then work on your part. This is a great teamwork. Only 4 seconds left. I hope all the groups. Time up, stop writing. Pencils down. That was very hard. Wow. Okay. So, very quickly we are done with our round 3 also. Now do we have a...
The clock is ticking now. Didn't know the time passed so quickly.
Okay, we have one more teaser, Ms. Rinben.
All right, audience, it's your time now. Complete the pyramid by filling in the missing numbers. So quickly, it is done. Please look at it very carefully. This sounds challenging. I am coming to take the answers.
Seven.
7.
7.
10. 7.
7.
7.
1. 10. 5.
5.
7.
Most of you are saying 7.
7. 5. 7.
7. 10.
7. 7.
Anybody wants to give the answer?
7.
5.
7. 2. 29.
37. 7.
Can I? Okay. This is so interesting that our teachers also want to give the answer. Can I take answer from the teachers? Yes? Fatima Ben.
46.
46.
86.
Okay. Now, this okay, children, I think I have to explain this to you. You all are just giving me the first answer. The first. I want the last answer.
37.
Okay, enough. Participants? Participants want to try? No?
37.
37. Okay. This was.
Okay, students, I will explain you this pyramid. 5 plus 3 gives us 8. The 2, we have to add the numbers in the yellow boxes, okay? Then 3 plus 7, the missing number of the green box is 10, okay? Then we have 7 plus 2, that is 9 in the third box of green, right? Now, 8 plus 10 will give us 18, that is the missing number of the blue box. Then we have 10 plus 9, 19, that is the second number of the blue box. And then 18 plus 19, which equals to 37. So what is the correct answer? 37. So all of you can clap for yourself.
So many correct answers. Wow. Okay. Now time for the scores of round 3. Yellow House 4. Green House 12. Blue House 12. And Red House 12.
Now we need to have silence here, please. Children, please. We have to maintain silence.
How much time has passed yet? Well, let's learn about time from the participants only.
It is well said that all we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. Oh yes, let's move to the next round, which is catch up with time.
Okay, before moving on to our next round, children, we will have the scores of all the 3 rounds. In a while, it will come on our screens, so that you can have the idea which house is doing well and which house children need to support their house. Can we have the scoreboard on the screen, please? Okay. All right. First round was power of numbers. Yellow house 2, green house scored 4, blue house 3, red house 4. Second round was joyful geometry. Yellow house 2, green 4, blue 4 and red house 2. Third round was mind boggles. 4, yellow house score is 4, green house scored 12, blue house scored 12 and red house scored 12 in third round. So now we are moving on to our next round, that is catch up with time. Okay. Okay. Can we have it on the screen, please? Catch up with time. All right, children, listen very carefully while I'm explaining. All the participants, I need your attention here. Participants, please. This is also a grade-wise round. First 4 questions will be asked from students of grade 2 of all the 4 houses. Same thing we are going to do. Yellow house, grade 2, green house, blue house and red house, grade 2s. Then, next is grade 3's turn. You will also answer 4 questions presented on your screen. Read the questions very carefully before answering. Grade 4s and 5s will then follow the same. You will get 15 seconds to answer each question. Is it clear? All right. Okay. First question for yellow house, grade 2. Yellow house, please read the question. How many days are there in the month of January?
31.
31 days. Correct answer. Green house, grade 2. What is 1:30 in digital clock?
1:30.
Wow, so quick. Option C, 1:30. Blue house, grade 2. Are you ready? How many minutes are there in 1 hour?
60 minutes.
Okay, audience, you can't say the answer so loudly. Please. We are giving equal opportunity to the audience also. Yes, if you will say the answer so loudly, the blue house will not get that point. Okay. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? Blue house. Blue house.
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Yes, that's right. Red house, grade 2. How many months are there in 1 year?
12.
Option A, 12. Excellent answer. Well done. Now, yellow house, grade 3. The question comes for you. What is 2:15 in digital time? quarter past 2, 2:30, 2:15, 2:45. Your time.
2:15.
2:15. I will again request the audience, do not say the answers. I know the children are very excited, but please. Next, greenhouse, grade 3. How many minutes are there in 2 hours? 100, 140, 120. 2 hours. Please say your answer in the mic. Your time starts now.
140.
140. Uh-oh. That's not the right answer. Okay. Blue house, grade 2. 120 is the right answer. What is quarter to 6 in digital clock? Quarter to 6. 5:45, 5:15, 5:30. The question is for blue house.
A.
Option A, 5:45. Absolutely right. Red house, grade 3, are you ready? How many hours are there in 2 days?
48.
48. Let's see. No, the non-participants are saying all the answers very loudly. Please avoid saying the answers before they give. You all are really saying the answers very loudly. All right. Now, grade 4. How many minutes are there in a quarter of an hour?
15.
Option B, 15. Let's see if this is the right answer. Absolutely right. Greenhouse, grade 4. How many months are there in half a year?
6.
6. Good answer. Blue house, grade 4. 1934 is in the morning or evening?
Evening.
Morning, evening, neither morning nor evening. Yes, evening. Let's see. Is it the right answer? Good answer, grade 4. Red house, grade 4. How many days are there in a leap year?
65.
366 days, 365 days, 356 days.
B.
Option B, leap year.
Oops.
The right answer is 366 days. Okay. Grade 5, yellow house. I would request the audience to please maintain silence. A car left Karachi at 2:30 p.m. and arrived at Hyderabad at 3:43 p.m. How long did the car journey last for? 1 hour 23 minutes, 1 hour 13 minutes, 13 minutes.
1 hour 13 minutes.
1 hour 13 minutes. Let's see, is this the right answer? Absolutely right. That was challenging. Greenhouse, grade 5. How many minutes are there in 2.5 hours? Your time starts now. 2.5 hours. 300, 250 or 150?
150.
Option C, 150. Well done. Greenhouse. Blue house. What is 9:54 p.m. in 24-hour clock? Is this 9:54, 19:54 or 21:54?
C.
Option C. Let's see if this is the right answer. Yes, absolutely right. Grade 5, red house. School starts at 7:30 a.m. and ends at 1:30 p.m. How much time is it? 8 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours?
C. 6 hours.
Very quick. 6 hours. All right. I think we are done with this round.
I never knew I spent all this time in school. What an exciting round.
There are several ways we use fractions unknowingly.
We have one more teaser for you all.
Again. Now children, please listen. What mathematical concept we use in this place? I will only take the answer if you are giving me in mathematical concept. I know this is a marketplace. I know this is a fruit shop. So please don't say those answers. Mathematical concept. Don't shout. I will come to you. Then you always give the answer.
Kilograms.
Kilograms. Weight.
Plus.
Weight.
Weight. Money.
Money. Good answer. Weight. Money.
Kilograms.
Kilograms and
Kilograms. Grams. Money. Weight.
weight and money. I am receiving from everybody the same answer.
Plus.
Addition. Please don't say the same answers again. I am saying that children are giving weight, money.
Weight. Kilograms and
Okay. I already said please don't repeat the answers. Okay. The correct answer was weight, money. Right? When we go for shopping, we use these concepts: addition, subtraction. These are the things. All right. All those who said weight and money, they are right. Correct. Clap for yourselves. Okay. Now I have the scores of round 4 with me. Yellow house 4, green house 3, blue house 4, and red house also scored 3. So yellow and blue house scored full marks. Very good. Well done.
There are several ways we use fractions unknowingly. While performing our day-to-day activities, it is fair to say that the world would not be the same without fractions as we see it today.
Let's get moving to the next round. Frosty fractions. It's a group round. Who likes to have M&Ms? Let's see if our mathematicians can sort out different colors of M&Ms and present them in form of fractions. That sounds scrumptious.
Okay, children, participants, please listen very carefully. The worksheets are already on your tables. This is again a group work. You can see a worksheet is provided to you which has an image of M&Ms. Count them very carefully and answer all the related questions given after it. Discuss among all group members before writing your answers. The total time allotted for this round is 2 minutes. The collective time is 2 minutes. Please count all the colors very carefully. Your time starts now.
Keep trying, teams, and the victory will be yours.
Only 46 seconds. Time is moving very fast. The level of the questions are also for grade wise. Okay. Blue house is already done. You have to, okay, only 20 seconds left. You have to answer all the questions. Oh, time up. Pencils down. I can see some are very happy, some have not finished. They are sad. That's okay. This teaches us time management also. Okay. Now we will move on to our Can we move on to the last round? Okay.
Next is speedy math. Gear up, mathematicians. You have to answer as many questions as you can in 30 seconds time.
I would have answered all of them.
All right, listen carefully, children. This round is again a group round. This is a house-wise round. In this, questions based on mental math calculations will appear on the screen. You will discuss among all members, and then any one child will give the answer in 30 seconds time. You will have to answer as many questions as you can. First, we will start with yellow house. Yellow house, for question number 1. First question. Yes. What is 5 more? Okay, no, this question we will not count. Please start with second question. Yes. By default, the answer also appeared on the screen. Add 3, 4, and 0. Add 3, 4, and 0. You can pass the question if you don't know. Third question.
7.
Okay, 7. Question number 2. 7. Okay. Is this third question for the next house? Next slide, please. Okay, greenhouse. What part of the square is shaded? Look at the image. What part of the square is shaded?
3 upon 4.
3/4 is this? Yes, very good. Second, quickly, next question. What is the value of 4 in 402?
Hundreds.
100. Very nice. How many seconds
60.
are 60? What is 13 plus 11?
24.
You can answer.
24.
24. Well done, greenhouse. That was really quick. Blue house, your turn. How many eggs are there in a dozen?
12.
12. What fraction is not blue? What fraction is not blue? Yes?
4 upon 3.
1/3. No. Next question. What comes before and after 17?
Before 17, 16. After 17, 18.
16 and 18. That's right. How many days are there in a week?
7.
7. Good attempt, Blue House. Now, Red House. How many years are there in a century? Quick. Century has
15.
Can we have the right? No, that's not right. Next question. What fraction of the pizza is eaten?
1/5.
1/8. It has 8 parts. What number comes before 321?
320.
320. How many days are there in a fortnight? Any other group member can also answer. If you know the answer, you can give. How many days are there in a fortnight? Okay, time is also up. Can we have the right answer, please? 14. Okay, that's it.
I would have answered all of them correct. If I had a calculator, that's all I needed.
Maybe this is the reason we are here.
Well, that was stupendously fabulous. The team had to face immense hardship till the final, but they all did really well, of course.
Along with the celebration of today's successful event, we would also like to announce the winners of the primary section who vigorously participated in mini sports week held from 8th to 12th March 2021. To award the students, I would like to call on stage our Masool Janab Sheikh Hunaid Bhai Gatila to give away the certificates to the students. The points scored by the 4 houses are: Red houses got 275 points, Blue house earned 253 points, Green house grabbed 251 points, and finally the Yellow house won 240 points. So the first position goes to Red house. We would also like to have the sports teacher here on stage. There is one more award, excuse me, there is one more award to go for those who learned Zikrul Hussain Marasiya by heart in the occasion of Ayyamut Ta'abudat. We would like to announce the names, so please come on stage and receive your certificates. Duratul Majd Burhanpurwala of class 4, Kait Johar Burhanpurwala of class 1. Please give them a big round of applause.
Okay, children, let us invite our respectable judges to announce the results of today's Methopedia Junior 2021. Please give them a big round of applause. They have calculated the results very promptly in no time. That was a big support. I request Janab Sheikh Shumoil and Batul Ben Izzi.
Third position goes to Yellow House with 18 points. Come on, clap hands, everyone. There is a tie between two houses. They are on 29, that is Green House and Blue House. And the winner is Red House with 30 points. Very well done, Red House.
Okay. I would.
We would like to call our academic coordinator, Ms. Samina Sumro, to come on stage and give away the certificates. Certificates and shields to the winning team. Jana, please. Okay. The team that stood third, please come on stage and receive your certificate. Okay, they're already here. All right.
Good afternoon, students and teachers. May I have your attention for a minute? You have been such a wonderful audience in such a wonderful program. Congratulations to the entire primary section and congratulations to all of our lovely, brilliant children over here. Hope you enjoyed yourself. So inshallah on Monday we are again going to get together and enjoy a little more, but in a completely different light of things. Ready for Monday? Wonderful. So now let's start with prize distribution. So first in line we have the yellow team who secured the third position. Come on children, step down to get your certificates.
Hello.
Next, two houses that I see anything. Stand up. Greenhouse for what?
Okay, we have for the second position we have greenhouse and blue house. For the second position, there's a tie between greenhouse and blue house, so both of them have got second position. Please come down and collect your certificates.
There are 8 winners for the second position. They deserve a big round of applause. Amatullah, step forward, Dikra. Come in one line. Okay. Now, the winner of today's event. You all have to cheer. Never mind if it is the red house, but it's our section house. Come on, all of you, a big round of applause for the red house. Well done, red house. Can we have all the participants here only on the stage? Can we give them here only? We'll get them. Okay.
रेड हाउस में विन चलो पता कपड़ा ने बराबर करेगा तू बराबर करेगा बेटा तुम्हें ઊભા થઈ શકશો નહીં થઈ શકો તો ટોપી બરાબર
No, we provide all of them a chair. Chalo. Come on, Juicer, take this chair, Dika. You also sit beside him. Audience, please sit down. I request all the students to settle down. Even the ones who are sitting at the back will be able to see everything. Thank you, good children.
We would also like to invite our honorable judges on the stage with the participants to be with them. And maths teachers team. Please come on a stage with the participants. Mr. Amin.
I think today's day, Friday, is supposed to be Red House Day. Because Red House is the winner in sports as well.
Yes. The first.
It is always a joint effort of the whole team. So each and every student sitting over here is a participant of the program, right?
We have our
Because you
sports
all
teachers
participate.
here. The first position, you all know that it is for Red House. Now the second position goes to Blue House in sports. And Green House stands the third.
Gather behind the chairs. These children, gather behind them. Some of the girls can sit in front of the chairs. You can sit here also. Some of you can sit here also. Come on. The little one, sit here. Come on, come in front. Come on, come.
It's a real celebration time. Red House is very happy today.
What? Wait. Let this over. He's going to focus. Bring camera on you, okay? So you come in here. Roshan. Okay. It has been cheered 5 times. Now, the last announcement. Duryaben has some announcements to make. Okay?
In the end, we would like to thank our Masool Janab Sheikh Hunaid Bhai Gatila and our academic coordinator, Ms. Samina Sumro. We are honored and privileged to have you here today. We would also extend our thanks to Shireen Bain for her constant support and appreciate the hard work of all the math teachers, Nisreen Bain, Ayman Bain, Zakia Bain, and Farida Bain, including the primary staff students and organizers who made this event possible. Thank you. Finally, thanks to you all for being such a great audience. Let's rise for Wazifatul Shukr. Those who are sitting. Please take your positions for Wazifatul Shukr, all of you.
وظائفنا تسبيح أسمائكم يا بني المصطفى داب ونعم الوظائف بتأييدكم نستطيع درس وتقوى على تقوى قوانا ضعيف وطول إلهي عمر سيف